This is a run-through of my assignment for future and options that I have done. Contracts for difference. CFD is a financial instrument that allows traders to invest into asset class without actually owning the asset. It is a tradable contract between a client and broker who are trading the difference in the current value of the share, currency, commodity, or index. There are a few risks that often associated with CFD's market, which is market risk, counterparty risk, liquidity risk, client money risk. For the first contract, I have decided to take the Tencent share. Tencent Holdings Limited is a huge Chinese multinational conglomerate that specializes on internet-related products and services. The company's revenue for the first quarter of 2018 grew 48.4% to RMB 73.5 billion. I have decided to long Tencent shares and made a profit of 680.37 ringgit as the opening rate at 413.48 when I bought and close rate at 415.32. For the second category, I have decided to choose cotton futures contract. For the year 2017 to 2018, global cotton production is likely to increase by 8% year over year, leading to remarkable increase in yield and acreage in major cotton growing countries like India, China, and United States. Cotton futures have increased quite significantly in price since the end of 2017 to 2018. However, cotton futures are expected to trade down in coming months due to the improved global supply amid the increase of production in the US. Therefore, I managed to gain some profit when I short the cotton futures, as it was during the time that the price of cotton is about to fall slightly in May 2018. For the third category, I've decided to take the foreign exchange forex of the United States dollar against Japanese yen. Recently, the US dollar was at a very positive trend as the US and China trade war tensions were put on hold. This positive trend is supported by the good news announced by the United States Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin on last Sunday, where he stated that US and China is working on a trade agreement and trade war between the two nations is on hold. The US dollar rose significantly against the Japanese yen since April 2018, and that is why I have decided to buy USD against Japanese yen futures, as I expected the price to continue to rise. The last category is the index, and I have chosen to take the US 30. The US 30 underlying Dow Jones Industrial Average is one of the most closely followed stock market indices in the world. Some of the companies that are in Dow Jones Industrial Average are McDonald's, Apple, Boeing, and ExxonMobil. I have decided to short USA 30 due to the trend that it will drop after increased steadily since early May 2018. I have made some profit when the market opened at 24,936 and closed at 24,928 on 21st May 2018. The drop in the price of McDonald's, Apple, Boeing, and ExxonMobil has contributed to the reduction of the price of the US 30. As a conclusion, it is extremely important to carry out thorough fundamental and technical analysis in order to ensure a profitable decision. For example, a trader must be fully aware of the current market situation and global news before deciding any position whether to buy or sell. A complete research is important to minimize the risk that could affect the profitability of the trader's decision.